Alrighty folks, little update here. Deconstruction has begun. Not sure what to say, just giving you a look here. That's close to the angle I'll probably have on the front now. Cut the top off here. Let's see, oh yeah, it was one thing I wanted to mention. Interestingly enough, as you can see, this was insulated. Took all the insulation out. These sides are nice and clean here. Back, side. But what I did find was a lot of mold on the top. You can see the discoloration in this wood here. That was all up underneath the insulation. It was worse looking than this when I first took it apart because it was still, hadn't been baked out in the sun here. I knew that I needed more ventilation, but I was kind of surprised by what I found here. Anyhow, that's what we got so far. I'll keep you updated on where we go from here.